In previous class, we discussed about the method that we have to set up our email management. Like you can establish your email with the help of cloud, and over a cloud, we have a two different option. Like you can set up your email by using Google Workspace, Amazon Web Services, and Office 365. Right? These
Yeah.
three different platform can help us to establish our email services. Apart from the cloud, you can also set up your email by using on-premises resources. Like you need to set up Active Directory domain services and connect one another machine, high configuration based machine that you can use to install Exchange Server. And the third option that we can use for you can say that other email service provider like GoDaddy, HostGator, Namecheap, multiple portals are available, multiple email service providers are available in the market, and our responsibility we should know about the use cases. But our agenda to understand about how we can manage email services with the help of Microsoft 365 portal. So we can divide our Microsoft 365 portal in three different part. I think we have already discussed about these three different portal or dashboard that required for every Office 365 engineers.
Mm.
I'm talking about the admin center, right?
Yeah, admin center, the extent. The other one is the shared drive, right?
Intra
SharePoint.
admin, intra ID,
Oh,
and the last one is the exchange admin, right?
okay. Yeah.
These three different portals, we have these three different portals, and we must need to know about the use cases of these portal. So first of all, we need to start from the admin center. Then we'll move ourselves to the intra ID, and after
Mm.
that, we'll also discuss about the options or features which are available on Exchange Admin. So can you please help me to understand about the use cases of Admin Center and Exchange Admin Center and Microsoft Intra Admin? What
So,
your understanding about the use
okay, my
cases of these
understanding
three
is the
different?
Entra admin is just replicating our on-premise Active Directory to
Mm-hmm,
synchronize to the cloud Azure Active Directory. Now it's called as the Entra admin. Uh, Sometimes some use cases, the password write back is the option. So whenever the user try to change the password, the same will be replicated on the cloud as well, so that they will use the both the Windows and the Office 365 password will be the same. And
mm-hmm.
we will configure the MFA and intra admin. So this is the use case for the intra admin. And for the admin center, yeah. So this is like all the portals will be the shortcut will be placed here. So this is the place where we landed wherever we want. So from here we need to explore all the options in the Office 365. Also we will manage the users. No, we will create the different security groups. Like we have the four security groups like
Mm-hmm.
distribution, Office 365, and the main enabled security and the dynamic distribution group. And we will manage the users from the M365 level, right? And we
Correct.
will add the domain, like we will integrate our on-premise domain to the Office 365 domain. So we'll configure all the domain related things. So we will use the admin center. And the Exchange admin is mostly for the mailbox, increasing the quota, or we'll do the mail tracing and the mail flow, and we will see where the mail got landed, and we will create the rooms mailbox, and the shared mailbox will be in the Exchange or admin center. It should be in the Exchange, right? The shared mailbox.
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah, these are the basic steps we I used to engage and working on this.
Right. So if you are going to perform the task like as related to the migration, you want to set up a hybrid kind of environment. So in these cases, we always open the Exchange Admin Center, and that help us to manage the migration part, create a hybrid, configure rules, and it also help us to manage the high level of security.
Mm, okay.
Fine. So let's just start from the very basic. Like as we need to start from the admin center, which is one also one of important portal. You can say that of Office 365, because by using this particular portal, we can also perform lots of tasks. So
Mm,
I'm moving ourselves to the 365 portal and try to understand about the options or features which are available in Microsoft 365 Admin Center.
sure.
So for this particular task, we have already discussed about you must need to create one free trial account, right? You must
Mm,
need to open your own free trial account, and by using the free trial account, we are able to perform the task of these platforms. Open Admin Center and see, this is Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and
mm-hmm,
over a Microsoft 365 Admin Center, we are able to find lots of options are available. Like the first option, if I'm going to expand it, users, teams and groups, roles, resources, billing, support, setting,
mm,
setup and reports are, and health also available.
yeah.
So the all features are really important for every Microsoft 365 engineers. So let's just start from the users first. So whenever we click on the user, it will provide us a four different option. One is active user, second one is contact, third one is guest user, and the last one is deleted users.
Mm,
N number of options are available, and we should know about the use cases of these options. So I'm going to start from the active user. When we click on the active user, as per the name suggests, this is applicable. The use of this particular option, we can create new users. We can create new user, and also we can manage the existing users properties.
okay,
So to
so sorry,
yeah.
Manjit.
Hmm.
So creating the new user, it means so since so for our use case, so for example, so we already connected to the Office 365 and the Entra ID. So it means so whenever I create in the Active Directory, so it will automatically replicate here, right?
Both are integrated to each other. If you're going to create user on this particular panel, it will reflect to the entirety. You are going
Mm.
to create user with the help of entirety, then again you will get the users information on this particular panel as well.
So it means so we will create in both the sides. It doesn't make any difference.
Yep, you can say that the both dashboard can help us to create our user. Yep.
Mm. No, no, but the functionality wise doesn't make any difference, right?
No, no, yes, huge gap between both, because the SSPR service option not available on Admin Center, on Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You cannot you cannot create guest user account by using the Microsoft 365 Admin. Yes, we have a some gap, some difference between the Exchange Intra Admin Center and Microsoft 365 Admin Center.
No, the SSPR is particularly for the password reset, right?
Yep, yep.
Uh, how it came to picture here? Because we are talking about the functionality, right? So even though it doesn't matter whether I need the SSPR, I'm
No,
not.
no, no.
Yeah.
See, I'm giving you that difference between users management with the help of Microsoft 365 Admin Center and the same users management with the help of Microsoft Intra Admin.
User management.
So
Okay.
so
Mm.
you can configure the SSPR service by using Microsoft 360 Microsoft Intra Admin Center, but we
Mm.
don't have option to create and configure SSPR by using Microsoft 365 Admin Center.
Creating the users.
All right.
Still, this point is not clear. The SSPR, so using the SSPR, so we'll create the user or managing the user.
No, no.
Sorry.
SSPR is a service that help
Mm.
us to authorize our user, that user can reset their password by self.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
Mm. Mm,
Like
mm, mm,
as a admin, you don't have enough time, right?
mm.
So you just activated SSPR for the user, and I'm using your user that you created from 365. So unfortunately, I forget my password. So if you activated the SSPR from backend, I
Mm.
can reset my password by self.
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to describe about key SSPR service you can configure through the intra ID, not from this particular panel.
Or not from the admin panel, it's from
Yep,
the intra admin. Okay.
from this particular panel.
Okay.
Fine. So let me create one user and try to understand about the options which are available in the user's properties.
Hmm.
Some users are already available. Let me remove these users and proceed for the next.
This will try to delete it from on-premise. Why there is such a budget? So it's to done from the AD.
Okay, so this user, the telnet user, I synchronized from on premises.
Okay. So it means so whenever I created the user from on-premise, it should be deleted from the same.
Yep. So if you want to delete it, you just need to go back to intra admin center. From intra admin, you can delete it.
No, but it doesn't make difference. And you created, then it will sync back to the Active Directory.
No, 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 no. The Azure Active Directory Connect can help us to synchronize the users from on premises to cloud, not
Yes.
vice versa. Not vice versa.
Not vice versa. So it means so if I created here, it will not sync back to the Active Directory.
No, 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 no.
But just now you told this, right?
No, no, I never told. It will help you to synchronize the users from on-premises AD to Microsoft 365 portal. If you are
So
going
I
to
just want
create
to one
user on this
second.
particular panel, it will not reflect to on-premises.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to create new user and try to understand about the options which are available in the users properties.
Hmm.
Multiple options are available. Add user as user templates, add multiple users, multi-factor authentication, delete user, refresh password. Multiple options are available. So
Okay.
to create new user, we just need to click add user, provide the name of your user account. Any user that that you want to create, like Alibaba, I'm going to create one user with name of Alibaba. Display name is also Alibaba. The full name is Alibaba at the rate teachmecloud.net. We have a two different method to create password, like as automatically create password, and second, you can create your own password. So I'm going to configure my own password. This is another option. Require this user to change their uh, password when they first log in. So I don't want to activate it. Proceed to next. And this is the panel where we can identify the type of where we can identify the type of license. So I think we have already discussed about the type of licenses, right? So how
Hmm.
many types of licenses are available?
So that is personal, and the other one is the business. From the business, if you take like the business premium and Office E3 license, E3 license,
Hmm.
and there is something the basic license also available for the business. Like only we will access only the web mail, Outlook. We can't use the desktop application.
So basically, the Office 365 licenses categorized in two different part. One is package license and another is add-on license, right? So these all are considered as a package license. Like I have already purchased multiple licenses, so you can also buy the multiple licenses. So we have two different options. You can provide the license if you have any options are available related to the license. You can proceed with that. And but I'm just going to create our user without license.
Mm.
This is the panel where we can decide the roles. So what do you think about the roles?
Sorry, sorry, Manju.
What is use of roles? How many types of roles are available?
Roles basically they will say the global administrator who have
Hmm.
access, who got access to everything, and the billing administrator and the read-only administrator. So these are the different roles will be there I came across.
Okay, so can we can say that this is the delegation dashboard, right? If you want to delegate your user, so you must need to add the specific role to your user account. Like you want to make it Exchange Admin Center, Global Administrator, Help Desk Administrator, Service Support Administrator. So multiple roles are available,
Mm. No, these are the roles we are going to assign, right?
right?
Mm. Sorry, what's your question?
No, no. By using the role,
Mm.
uh, to enhance the value of our normal user account.
Yes.
So this is the panel. If you want to increase the value of our user account, so you just need to add it member of Exchange Admin Center, Global Administrator, or Teams Administrator, or Users
Mm.
Administrator, right?
Yes. Sorry, you are
Okay.
asking me something to make it
Yeah.
clear, or you are holding for some time?
Yeah, I'm just trying to understand about you good with the meaning of delegation, the importance of delegation, what is meaning of delegation in Office
Yes.
365. So the delegate in the sense you are sharing the rights of your administrator to any normal user account, right?
Mm. Yeah, as you told, to enhance the value of the normal user based on the profile.
Correct, correct, correct.
Yeah.
So let's proceed. Next, I'm not going to assign any kind of role.
Mm.
And our user is almost ready to use. Just need to click finish. Our user is okay, the Alibaba at the teachmecloud.net. I'm just going to log in our user on Incognito BZ and see how it's work. You just need to open office.com and sign in. We log in our Office 365 portal with the help of Alibaba user, but unfortunately, we are unable to find any product in this particular panel, right? Any
And
reason that we are unable to find any kind of product on this particular panel?
because you never assigned any license, right?
Yeah, because it's a fully based on SaaS service, and the usage of SaaS service is basically based on the usage of SaaS service is fully based on maybe subscription, right? Maybe
Yeah.
subscription or maybe based on licenses, correct?
Mm.
So you
Yeah.
must need to assign the subscription. Either you can assign the kind of licenses to utilize the feature or services.
Okay.
Now, so how we can assign it? We just need to open our admin center. This is our root account. And in the root account, I have already purchased one license which is associated with the support user. If I'm going to remove it, right? If I'm going to remove the license, then
Mm-hmm.
it will free and we can assign the license to our existing user. But I'm not going to do like that. I'm going to create new license that we can perform the all practical part. So to create a new license with your existing account, we simple need to click on billing, go to the purchase services, and in the purchase services, it will give you the list of licenses that you want to purchase, that you want to buy. All products, under the all products, see, we are able to find multiple products are available like 365, Office 365 business application, collaboration and communication, security and identity, Windows, Power Platform, multiple options are available. Let me click on Office 365 and let's verify how many licenses are available. If any kind of free trial license available, then well and good. I'm just going to proceed with that. Let me check Office 365 E5 license trial available. Let me check the details. Office 365 E5 trial available, but it will not give us option of Teams. Recently, they did lots of changes with the license policy. They removed the Teams live streaming, live conversation part from our license. You have to buy it separately. Let me check if we are able to order it, because I have already assigned, I have already provided my credit card information to this account.
Anyway, this is valid for the 30 days, right? The trial.
30
So
days free trial.
if
Yep.
you want, we will extend this, correct?
Yeah, yeah. We can buy free trial license every month. N number of licenses are available in concept of free trial. So you can purchase multiple free trial license for your same account.
Oh, so in case if I first I opted with the business premium, so after
Mm.
30 days it expired, then I will cancel and I will go with another product.
Yep. You can proceed with the E5, E3, multiple licenses which are available.
Full.
You can buy as per your
Mhm.
requirement. So I think the license activated. We successfully activated the license of Office 365. One license is available, and
Mm.
in single license it will provide maybe 25 licenses are available. Let me identify. Yeah, 25 licenses are available, and it is active and applicable for 12. Next invoice available
Full 5.
11th of June. Yeah, actually it is applicable for next, I think.
Prior, maybe it's
Yeah, the recurring billing 6th of June, 11th of June 2024. By next week we have to pay the amount.
okay, okay. Next week, next month, right?
Yeah, before that I'll cancel it.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, back to the
Mm.
users properties, and let me identify. I'm going to assign the license to our new user that we just created, Alibaba. And let me assign, because we are unable to find any application. So it's mandatory to assign one license to our 365 user. Go to the license and application, and in the license and application, we just activated one license, Office 365, uh, I think E5 license. See the last
Mm-hmm.
one. Total
Yeah.
25 licenses are available in this particular the license type. We are unable to get audio conferencing for Teams. Not an issue. We'll use the another option. We'll use the. We are able to you utilize the other features except Teams.
Okay. So as you told, right? So this one they recently changed the subscription model for the teams.
Correct.
Okay. So it means we cannot use the teams even for
Yeah.
the messaging also, or only
Yep.
for the audio file.
It will not give us a no Teams, means we are unable to access the team, means for both.
Change, right? Because previously it was part of the bundle, but now they want to separate from the bundle. Okay.
So just need to click on save change.
Yes. Anyway, we are going to try whether it's working or not. We'll explore it.
Yep, I will see it.
Mm, mm,
We assign the license and it will reflect to our user. Maybe it's required up to
mm.
5 to 7 minutes required to get the all product over a Microsoft 365 user. So
Okay.
still we are unable to find anything. Let me refresh the page and we should wait for a few more minutes. Okay, yes, it's immediately highlighted all the products. We are able to see all the products are available, right?
Yes. The side panel, right? Okay.
Correct. So multiple products are available except Teams, means we are not authorized to
Mm,
use the Teams. Outlook, yes, you can send mail and receive mail. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, and another option are also available. But we cannot find any kind of the feature related to the Teams.
mm. Got it.
Cool. So this is the way that we can use our Office 365 user. Our responsibility, right? As a 365 engineer, it's our responsibility. We should know about the base of our the basic understanding related to the users management.
Mm.
Now back to the admin center and let's try to understand about the another features that contained by the users. Because as a 365 admin, it's our responsibility. We must need to know about the use cases. We must need to know about the options which are available on our what we can say that 365 users properties.
Yes.
Open our user Alibaba user we created, and once you open the Alibaba user, it will provide us multiple options. See, account, devices, licenses and application, mail, and OneDrive. A number
Mm.
of options are available in this particular panel. So let's talk about the usage of this part.
Okay.
Okay. So the first option, if we talk about the dashboard, we are able to find reset password, block sign in, and delete user over a top.
Mm.
Reset password, as per the name suggests, if you want to reset the password, we just need to click here and it will reset the password, right? Second option, block sign in for temporary purpose, right? If you want to block the user for the temporary basis, yeah, if you if you if you want to block the user for the temporary purpose, you just need to click on block sign in, and the last option is delete.
Block sign in, it means the user is already logged in. So it will not allow the new sign in, or it will just sign out the existing login also.
Can you please repeat again?
Okay. So it the block sign in the option, right? So once I click the block sign in, so it will not allow the new session, or it will sign out the existing session and unable to log in.
Correct. Unable to log in. The block session in the
Only for
sense,
the new session, or how about the existing session?
no, it will not impact to the existing session, but once he just reset, try to re-log in, then definitely he is unable to log in it.
But the existing login will
N-
still be
Now
able to
continue.
use it.
Yeah, it will not impact.
Can you click? Let me have a look. Block this user. Okay. Block, they automatically signed out within 60 minutes. It means the existing session will get signed out.
After 1 hour.
Yeah, that's my question. Okay.
Because what exactly happened whenever we log in our Office 365 page, it always shrink with the data centers,
Mm.
right? It automatically refresh the page and try to sync with the data center of Office 365 that established by the Microsoft.
Yes.
Clear? Okay, so your user will sign out, automatically sign out within
Mhm.
60 minutes because you just block the sign in of this particular user account, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
The user sign in is blocked. You can also click on unblock sign in.
Mm.
Both the options are available as per your requirement. You can proceed with anyone. I'm
Mm.
going to unblock it. Then back to the user's property and try to understand about the another options that that are available in the user's property. So let's start from the account. Under the account, a number of options are available. So it's not mandatory to know about the use cases of all the options, but you should know about at least basic options. Like as in the first panel is user name and email, and the second option is related to the alias.
Mm.
So have you idea about the alias? What is use of alias?
And yes, we will add one more email address to point out to the primary email address.
Mhm.
Mm.
Why we need to add additional email address?
To get rid of unwanted emails.
Sorry.
To get rid of the unwanted emails from the unauthorized users, restrictions
Mm,
from the outside. Maybe I need temporary username and maybe for the reservation purpose,
mhm.
I need some temporary email address. So I will just add it here. Later, I will remove.
Can we send email with the help of alias name?
I don't think so. Only for the
Okay.
receiving purpose.
Okay, so you can use the alias only for the receiving. We cannot open the 365 portal or Outlook portal with the help of alias name, right?
Sorry,
So we
can you, pardon? Can you repeat?
mm, 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 mm. we cannot open the 365 portal with the help of alias, right?
Yes. You mean the sign in, right?
Sign in, yeah. Open
Yeah,
the
yeah,
portal
cannot, cannot.
of 365. Open the
I
portal
think
of
it's tagged
Outlook.
only to the primary email address.
Yeah, we can use it because we assign the license for primary, not for alias.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk more about it. So
Mm.
the another important part, like as that the use cases of alias to fill the alias name in the Office 365 users properties to the purpose of you can say that to you, for example, user don't want to share his or her personal information. He don't want to share the primary email ID,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
Because the alias ID that you are going to configure, it's customizable in the sense you can remove it anytime, and it will
Mm.
not impact your existing emails. That
Mm.
the emails that you have already received, if you remove the alias name, I don't think it will impact to the existing email address, emails that you received, or the existing email that you sent. All
Yeah.
right.
Yes, I do have some query.
Hmm.
So can I, so right now you created with the domain like teachme.cloud,
Yep.
teachmecloud.net. So I will
Yep.
create alias like Alibaba at xyz.net. It will work, or I need to still use the same
in case
teachmecloud.net.
in case of alias, right? In
Mm-hmm.
case of alias, number
So,
of domains that you have already added.
mm,
It may be on Microsoft.com. It may be teachmecloud.net. It may be cloudsupport.co.in. So if you added multiple domain, then definitely you can create your alias by using different domain name. Yes, we can do that.
maybe we need to select out of these three, whatever
Any
we
of
already
Yeah,
authorized.
any
Okay.
of the users you can select as a alias.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
The primary email ID that we created with name of Alibaba at the rate teachmecloud.net. This is
Mm-hmm.
the alias, right? This is the alias name. But sorry, this is the primary email ID, and I'm going to add, I'm just going to add what we can say that alias name with Alibaba, and the alias name is test.
Mm.
And do you want to change the alias domain? So you just need to change it. It will allow us to change the domain. Click add. Our alias is successfully added with the primary email ID.
Mm-hmm.
We successfully added the alias with primary email ID. And now you can share this email ID, right, that we added with name of test at the rate cloudsupport.co.in.
Okay. Output.in. Okay, suppose if I receive the email, so it will land to the same primary email address, right? So I don't want to create one more inbox.
Exactly. It will not give us option, right? It will not provide you option to what we can say that it will not provide you option to open your Outlook or Office 365 portal with the help of alias, because we haven't assigned any kind of we haven't provided any kind of licenses to our alias.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Done. So let's try to understand about how we can utilize this particular part. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to assign the license to my root account, that the account that I'm using. I'm talking about the administrator account. I haven't assigned any license. So let me assign the same license like, yes, this one.
But last time you already purchased one license, right? That is also trial.
Yep. Actually, I'm using this Office 365 account from past 1 year, yes.
Okay.
And I
Mhm.
consume multiple free trial license, more than 10.
Okay, okay. But I mean, you are suspecting different product.
Yeah, every time I need to purchase a different license, because I need to describe about the things to
Mhm.
engineers, to our participants. So I think the free trial license is enough for the learning purpose.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to open and refresh the page. Open Outlook, because I'm going to send one email to our alias, not on primary
Mhm.
email ID. Click new, and what is our alias name?
Just one at Teach Me Cloud
Hmm,
or Cloud Connect something, right? I forgot.
cloudsupport.co.in.
Mm. So later end of this class, Majid, so can you give me like tentative timeline? So when we are going to discuss what chapter like that? Is it possible?
Training roadmap you're talking about?
Yes, because right after 2 weeks I need to engage with the other shift payment project. So that is huge for me. So that will occupy another 5 to 6 months to engage. to complete that.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. I'll create a Excel sheet to
Mm.
and share with you.
Also, you told you will be merging to me to the different weekday session, right?
Yeah, actually, a bit busy in case of my CEO is coming in India office.
Oh,
So
okay.
next entire week he will be there in India, like in Noida
Okay.
location, in my Noida
Mm-hmm.
office. So
Okay.
they are really particular about it. Like I need to reach office at sharp 4 p.m. IST, right?
Okay. Okay.
So I and after that I need to be in our office till morning 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So
Oh,
that is why bit busy. But after that, once I'm free from my office work, then definitely will start in weekdays as well.
yeah, yeah, that should be fine. So, but you told the already the existing train is going on or not?
Actually, one existing batch is going on, but he already completed lots of content. But let me check if I'm going to cover the topics like the same topic that I'm covering in our in weekdays batch, then definitely we'll
Mm.
add you in existing.
Yeah, yeah, because in my case, I don't have much time. And for them also, you were just taking care of the Intune.
Yep. Actually, the batch that I'm running in weekdays, uh,
Mm.
he's also for both the technologies,
Okay.
365 and Intune. Actually, he's
So,
in
mm.
I
Mm.
think Kuwait or Delhi, Kuwait or Dubai. I'm a bit confused. So he's taking session from me, like as in weekdays as well.
Qatar or Dubai. Okay. Mm. So you're not trying outside of India?
Mm. I did multiple project in outside of India. I did one
Oh,
government project for South Africa, one project for Sri Lanka, one project for Dubai.
oh, great. So all into this Microsoft. I mean the
No, no, no,
365
no,
or
no.
any other. Mm.
No, no. I completed one project for CCNA in year of 2016 for West
Oh,
Africa.
oh, you are into the network also.
Yeah, I'm good with networking. Actually, I started my journey from server 2003 and CCNA in year of
Same like me.
2006 and 7.
Yeah, I too completed the same batch. 2005, I did my engineering and started with the
Mm-hmm.
2003 and yeah, Exchange Server, CCNA.
Yep, 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 yep,
Mm,
yes.
same.
So I recently bought some network devices as well, like router and switches.
Oh, cool. Still, it's
Actually, we just assigned the license, so that's why it will take time to open our Outlook. Although we are able to see the product over a 365 portal, but to access the any specific tool, it is taking time.
oh, how the header it become the Teach Me Cloud? Is it from the browser side or it's from the Office
N-
365
No,
side?
no, no. This is considered as a, you can say that company branding.
Okay. No, no.
We
How
have a
you did?
yeah. I'm giving you like as
Okay.
in our entirety, like in Azure Active Directory, we have option to configure company branding. You can set up the logo.
Oh,
You can set up the name of your organization for branding purpose. So
mm,
this is also a part of our training. I'll show you the steps.
sure, sure. Honestly, right, I engaged with you for the training other than the Office 365
Sure, sure.
because you worked with many technologies. I am also into the same. But my backlog is so I worked as a manager for 8 to 10 years. I don't have
Mm-hmm.
much touch with the technology, not technology, like the technical support.
Got it.
So just managing the resources and so now I
Mm-hmm.
came to a different role. So I need to manage each and everything. So I just do some got some hesitation to do any implementation. So I'm just bit scared.
Got
Can you try with different browser?
it. Yeah, I'm just going to open the another incognito wizard and try to log in it again. Directly, I'm going to open Outlook.com.
Yeah. Also, I just bought the Mac also, and you did training for the Mac also, right? Mac users.
Yep, yep,
You
yep.
gave
Mac
some
OS.
training. Yeah, just 6 months back, I bought it for the data science project, but I don't know how to operate because we are the Windows users for the long time.
Yes, yes.
I
Actually,
need
I'm
to
you.
go through the training also. That is because some of the trainings are from Hindi, right? So I am not much familiar on the Hindi. Only few words I can understand. That
Got
is
it.
from Hindi or English? I
Mac
don't
OS
know.
training?
Yeah.
No, it is applicable. Like it's up to you. You want to take in English, you want to take in
No,
Hindi.
no,
I'm
the
okay.
YouTube you uploaded there.
Actually, no, no, no. I uploaded only few videos over a YouTube because I haven't get time to create a videos. So, but I'm
Mm.
going to start it again because multiple playlists are going on. Like I need to complete the CCNA videos and then MCSA videos. So that's why not able to get much time.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know how you are managing your time. So you have kids?
Sorry.
You married, right? Still single.
Yeah, yeah. I'm married and I have one kid, 7 year old baby
7 years.
boy.
Oh, cool. Mine is like 12 years and 3 years. Two boys. Both
Great.
of them are very active, so I need to spend a lot of time with them. So no point of going through the education video itself. The videos you are uploading in the YouTube, right? So you are getting any monetary from the YouTube?
Monetization you're talking about,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Yep, yep, yep. I'm getting some
It's the small or
compliment
it's the
from,
huge.
and not much. Actually, it's fully based on the views. How much views you are getting in the entire month, right?
Oh,
So like multiple category of our like as a monetization or amount that we are that we are going to receive from YouTube, like as according to the category of videos that you are going to upload.
but
Like
you
so,
did everything for the education, right? So,
yep, 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 yep. So it's basically like as if you are going to create a videos like as a blog wise. So they give us like as $1 in 3,000 views.
$1, 3,000 views. Oh,
Yeah, as it is different category. For technical, I think uh three
but it will be
dollar
cumulative, right? So for this month, I will have 100,000 views. The next month, I have 2,000. So they will combine these two.
Right, right, right. They need to calculate the views in entire month,
Oh, okay.
not for single day.
Mhm. So it's not based on the subscriber, only for the views.
No, it's fully based on the views because some of YouTubers are with more than 20 million 20 million subscriber, but
Mm-hmm.
they are earning just maybe $1,000, just maybe 1,000 or 1,200 or $800,
Oh.
only because of they are not getting much views.
Hmm. Even though the subscriber is not the matter, only the views are matter.
Only the views
Uh,
are matter
uh,
in case of monetization.
but from our side, you need to keep on update the videos, right? Because since if
It
you take example like Office 365, they keep on changing the portal.
yeah, definitely you need to work on multiple technologies. So
Hmm.
if you want to engage the The people, if you want to enhance, increase the views, then definitely
Hmm.
you need to upload different types of videos.
Okay, okay.
And it is really difficult to grow the technical channel in the sense education channel.
Yeah,
Very
because
diff
you keep on update.
very difficult.
It's not like one time update and wait for another few years. Every month or every couple of months, you need to do the update. You are basically Windows or a Mac user.
I'm good with the both, but I'm most comfortable with the Mac
So,
because I'm using Mac from 2018 years, from
okay,
past 6 years.
okay, okay, okay.
It
Because
is
I
more.
thought of learning the data science, so some of them
Mm,
suggested you go with the Mac. So what I did, I just bought the 2019 model MacBook Pro 16-inch with 64 gig RAM, the Intel one. But it sound like the fan is running like very high speed.
no, how much RAM?
64.
64 GB.
Yeah.
Wow, great.
I just installed the VMware Fusion to create the multiple VMs.
Yep, yep, yep.
So usually where I used to work, right? So I will just simulate the same environment in my lab. So if I want to test something, I will do the test here first.
hmm
Like previously, I worked with the VDA project and the Citrix. So wherever I do, I will just do the trial in my lab before I do in the production. Okay.
Fine. So we log on our machine with the log on our portal with the help of Alibaba, right? That I'm talking
Mhm.
about the primary email ID.
Yes, yes.
But we added one alias for this particular email address, right? The
Mm,
alias name is test at the rate cloudsupport.co.in. So
mm.
I'm going to send one email to the alias ID, not directly to the primary email address.
Okay.
So back to the 365 portal, this is my root account, and let me copy the alias name.
How you are toggle between the different screen, the Mac?
It's much productive in compare of uh, Windows machines. So actually, if you are going to use three finger on touchpad and
Oh,
swap left, right, it will
oh,
it will give you the information about the number of pages that you open.
oh. I'm just Windows. You can use the Alt tab, go to the different Windows drive.
Now,
I
if
am
you
thinking
have
how you are doing that. Oh,
no
okay.
no if you have a Mac, then you can enhance your productivity really
Oh,
for the
oh, oh.
training.
Mm-hmm.
It's really helpful. Like see 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. That's
Whenever
what you are just moving like super speed.
yep,
I'm just worried how it's happening. Mm-hmm.
right. Like I need to define in theoretical part. So I use basically pen tab and write something, describe, then move to
Mm-hmm.
the portal. Immediately move to the portal.
The pen you are using the Apple pen or it's
No,
a
no, no, no.
normal connected to the.
Actually, I'm using a kind of tablet, which not tablet. It's a tab, pen
Mm.
tab, XP pen tab.
Okay, got it.
Test at the rate cloudsupport.co.in. Back to my root account and let me send one email. Test this is test mail for alias account
Mm.
and sent. What do you think about?
This one will receive to the primary email address, the Alibaba.
If you open the primary email ID, because we log on our machine with the log on our portal by using the Alibaba at the reachmecloud.net, we received one email from we received one
The
email from
primary Rich
the
Cloud.
primary email ID. So it means that the alias is applicable. Yes, the alias is applicable to uh, receive the email. We cannot send any email, I think, right?
But it's landing to the Alibaba, right? I mean, the two address I can see might be it's redirected from the Office 365 site.
Right.
From there, you typed the test.cloudsupport.com something, but here it will be showing the two address will be Alibaba.
Yeah, because it will not give you the information about alias. Only the sender know about it. We are on page of Alibaba. See, we are on page of
Yeah.
Alibaba. So message received from Teach Me Cloud.
By
Received
any
to
chance, I
Alibaba.
can trace which address it is originating initially.
We sent to, if you go and click on sent item, see, test at the
Yeah.
rate cloudsupport.co.in,
But how you
right?
change it to Alibaba?
No, it will automatically change it. Let me check.
Awesome.
Let me check.
Hmm.
Test mail, testing.
Again, change it Alibaba. Maybe you need to try from the external instead of but different, right?
Is that okay?
No, no, but here, right, how it automatically changed, even though if you try to send the test, right?
I think maybe I'm using my root account because root account
Hmm.
contain the information about all. Actually, whenever we create our user on Office 365 with the help of root account now, it will automatically move the information to GAL, global address list. So that's why maybe we are able to get it. Not an issue. Let me create another user account and
No, no, I will just type from the Google. So what is the test at Google Cloud?
cloudsupport.co.in.
Cloudsupport.co.in. Yep, I sent already. This is the primary address, right? Can you? I want to see, right? So, attention.
Yeah, can you please send on this particular mail ID?
It's the same, right?
But no email received from your side. Yeah.
Cloud support, you can refer the screenshot, the email address is same, cloudsupport.co.in. Is it like any test 01 or something, or only that test?
No, no, only test.
I never received any the bounce back something. Or it may went to any quarantine.
I think my domain is not working properly. So do one thing.
So,
Let me change the alias name because the cloudsupport.co.in is not verified with
mhm.
the account of what we can say that MX Record. So
Okay, okay.
let me remove it and create new alias.
Mm.
Test at the rate teachmecloud.net. Okay, I'm going to use this mail ID. It is already available.
Ah,
Okay.
it's already used, yeah. Maybe you can use the Alibaba 01.
Now, can you please try to send?
Teachmecloud.net.
Yeah, receive.
Okay, okay. Hmm. Maybe the previous one, as you told, the domain might not be verified
Yeah,
properly.
yeah, yeah. I haven't configured. I think that MX record is not verified. That's why we are unable to send or receive the email from cloudsupport.co.in.
Hmm. Yeah. Anyway, we are going to see the MS record also, right? To register the domain.
Yeah, once you register your own custom domain, you must need to provide the both types of record like TXT record, CNAME record, and MX record as well.
Hmm. But most of them are using the Cloudflare.
Sorry,
They are using the Cloudflare, right?
Cloudflare.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is applicable for the different tasks basically.
Do you know what is the purpose? Why they are going with the? Even though I
Uh,
registered the domain with the different uh, host registration, but they are pointing back to the Cloudflare.
it's a hosting panel where if you want to host your website or application, na, then
Uh,
Cloudflare can help you. Like WordPress server you want to establish, you want to host any kind of .NET PHP website. So Cloudflare can give us a platform to host it.
no, no, bro. So I registered domain in the different some third party.
Hmm.
Okay, but some of my colleagues suggested you point the DNS to the Cloudflare so that it will be very fast.
So basically, it is applicable for the hosting purpose because the DNS that we need to decide where where we need to use our DNS.
Hmm.
How you can identify that your DNS is fast or slow? If it is connected with any website, if it is connected with any kind of application, then we can identify that your domain or your website is very fast.
Hmm. Okay, that one we'll discuss later. I need to explore more on that.
So it is clear about the alias.
Yes, yes, got it.
Okay, so can we take a small break, just 10-minute
Sure,
break and back again?
sure, sure, bro. So now the time is 9:30, right?
9:30. So
Okay,
we'll
can you connect
connect.
9:45
Yeah,
or
sure.
10 o'clock? So
Yeah,
till
sure.
what time you will be available today? I mean, so how long we will go for today?
We can proceed till 10:15.
10, 15. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, can. So we'll connect back at 9:45.
Yeah, sure.
Because I will be okay. Anytime is fine for me because I want to complete as soon as possible. It's up to
No,
you
no,
because the
no,
other
no,
side you have commitments.
no worry about it. I'll try
Mm,
to schedule it two classes in weekdays as well, right?
okay.
So that we can wrap up our content in on time, before time, not on time,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So, like if you are getting 4 more hours in weekdays, then definitely we'll cover the part on before time.
Okay. Okay. Okay, but
Let's
once you're
connect
back,
in.
I will just leave it as it is. So once you're back, you just WhatsApp me in case if I'm not responding here.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Connect back. Thanks.
Yeah. Hi, are you there?
Yeah, yeah, bro, I'm here.
Okay. Okay, let's talk about the another feature or options which are available in our users properties.
Okay. No, you mean you covered everything from the account side, or you all want to look inside the account?
We are trying to understand about the options which are available in the properties of our account, user account, right?
Yeah.
So now we completed the part of primary email ID and the alias, right?
Yes.
And let's talk about the another options. Last sign in and sign out, which is considered as a last sign in the sense as per the name suggests, you want to track the email address signing. You want to track the email address signing in, right?
No, you want to track, or we will see where the account was logged in.
Yeah, both option you can say that.
Hmm.
And the another
Okay.
option is sign out to sign out from all the users, sign out from all the devices. Like if you forget, you sign in your email address and unfortunately you forget it, right?
Hmm.
So for the security purpose, you can use this particular option. You can say that this option can help us to revoke the session,
Revoke. Yeah, just now we tried that one, right?
right? So
Hmm.
you can use it to revoke the session. And one more important part, alternate email ID. So as per the name suggests, the use cases of alternate email ID. The work of alternate email ID, you can say that it will help you in case of if you forget the password, you haven't apply any kind of
SSPR.
okay yeah, SSPR. That time we can use this particular option.
No, the SSPR, right? Even though the user forgot the password, how they log into the SSPR?
No, no, no. SSPR is the just a method. See, SSPR is the just a method that help us to reset our password.
Our password, or the user will reset
You
their own password, right?
yeah, user can reset their own password.
Hmm.
Correct.
Yeah.
So some prerequisites are applicable to configure the SSPR that we'll discuss. We are trying to understand about the user's properties like as alternate email ID. So as per the name suggests, the meaning of alternate email address, it will help you to log in your account. It will help you to open the 365 portal if you are unable to access our Office 365 portal.
Can we try this option, bro? Alternate email, so we'll just queue and try to reset the password later.
Okay, so let me create one user and
Hmm.
add the email address as an alternate email address, right? So
Yeah.
back to the root account, like we just need to click on add, and this time I'm going to add one user with name of Azure. Okay, we added the one more account that contain the same license, Office 365 E5. So what you need to do, I'm just going to add the same user as a alternate email address, right? So open the properties of our user account like Alibaba and select alternate email address. Add your address that you just added. Okay, I need to change the domain name because the alternate email ID must not associated with same domain. Alternate email address, and now I'm just going to add the same user account that we just added, right? The users that we added with the associated with the on Microsoft.com. So let me copy the email address and
Mm-hmm.
we'll use it as a alternate email ID. Open the Alibaba users properties, alternate email address and click
No, no,
add.
this one, right? So can we give the external email address also, or only the particular domain?
Yeah, we can also use the external email address
Okay.
because the user must not associated with the same tenant, because by using the alternate email address we can use to reset the password or to check the emails. So you can also use the external email ID, like as I'm going to try with Azure Live 218 at gmail.com. This is my external email address that I created using Gmail portal, right?
Mm-hmm.
Click save it. Uh, We added one email like as Azure Live 218 at gmail.com, right?
Yes.
And if everything is okay, just need to open another page, Incognito Wizard, office.com, sign in, Azure Live 218 at gmail.com. Okay, we are able to access our 365 portal. All the products are available that you applied, right? Because this is our alternate email ID. You added the as a alternate email address.
Hmm.
All good. So in case for temporary basis, you want to use the same email ID, right? For temporary basis, you want to use the same email ID, then alternate email ID can help us.
You mean only for the reset password, right?
Yeah, but you need to add it as a guest user account and make it member of global administrator. That because you know that the global administrator can help us to make any changes over a portal.
Yes, but this requirement is for the normal user or the global administrator user.
Basically,
The
you can
alternate.
use for both. If you want to
Hmm.
reset the password, then global administrator, and if you want to use for the basic use cases,
So for
like
the basic use cases, I have the user one, so he
yeah,
forgot the password.
yep,
Still, he configured the alternate email address.
correct, correct.
Okay, my question is, so using the alternate email address, still the user one able to reset the password,
Mm-hmm.
can do or cannot?
Can you please repeat again?
Okay, the user one account has already configured the alternate email address. Somehow
Mm.
he forgot the password for his primary email address. The alternate email address is configured with the Gmail. So using the Gmail account, so still able to reset the password.
Yes, but you need to perform one more task, like as uh, the alternate email ID must be added as a guest user account.
Just user account.
Yep.
Oh, okay. So, but I don't need to give any permission to the guest user account, right?
No, you need to, in case of reset the password, user must be a global administrator.
So that is for other user for resetting the own user ID password.
Right? So then in this case, the alternate email ID must be contain at least rights of global admin.
Then what is the point of configuring the alternate email address for the users?
No, alternate as per the name suggests. Alternate means it's you can use it if you are not going to um, if you're not going to kind of Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry. So we are trying to understand about the alternate email address, right?
Yes, but still have some queries. Anyway, I will try to simulate from my side, do the use case.
Okay. So another important options which are available in the users properties roles we have already discussed about the groups. So group is a totally different. We need to complete the part of group, then we can try to understand about the use
Hmm.
cases of the group, because the group is basically part of, right, the group is basically part of our user account. The group is part of our exchange admin center.
Exchange admin center. Okay.
So this is all about the users properties. And
Mm-hmm.
next important part, we need to know about multi-factor authentication option is also available. But let's talk about the another option, like as template, user templates.
No, in the user, right? So we do have some of the properties like the devices and the OneDrive
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yes, 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 yes.
devices. So what are the devices logged in, right?
No, the
Intune.
devices that you used with Intune, that enrolled with Intune portal. It will provide the information about the number of devices that you enrolled with Intune services.
Hmm. So that one we are going to look later in the Intune.
Right.
Okay. And license. Okay. Yeah, we
License
need
and
to assign the
application. How
licenses.
many types of licenses are available? Which license you want to assign, right?
Yes.
So you can provide the information about the licenses.
Hmm.
And the next important option, mail. So in case of email, right, we are able to find multiple options are available, like email box permission. The
Hmm.
total capacity of your mailbox 100 gig means we
Hmm.
can upload, we can store up to 100 gig of emails.
Okay. So once
Mailbox,
this is full, so it will automatically go to the archive, right?
you need to set the rule to transfer our email to the archive.
What is the limit for the archive?
Archive available between 50 gig to 100 gig.
So if my mailbox is the archive mailbox is beyond the 100 gig, then can we create one more archive or how it works?
No, no, no. You need to take the backup.
So backup means I need to convert to the PST and store it to locally.
You
That's
can
the one.
store on cloud, OneDrive. You can store on premises. It's up to you.
OneDrive. No, but still we need to convert as a PST, right? Or do you have any other format to?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We need to convert it in PST format.
So it means once I downloaded from the archive to the local, right? I can't recover the item in the cloud.
No, we have option to upload and download the data from on premises to cloud or cloud to on premises. So
No,
manual
no, no, no.
backup,
What I'm
manual.
saying, okay. So I have like In archive, I have 105 GB space. So out of them, I just downloaded the 5 gig to the local.
Mm-hmm.
Or otherwise, we can say I just took the backup and I deleted from the cloud. Okay, somewhat I missed the PST, or the PST got corrupted in the local desktop, or the copy which I took backup. What is the way to retrieve the email? You got it?
Uh,
What I'm trying to say?
right. You want to like as trying to revert back your data to portal, right?
Yes, not revert back. Any
Mm-hmm.
option to retrieve?
Yeah, we have an option to retrieve it over a portal. Like you need to involve third party tool, right? The third party tool can help us to put all the PST file on premises in our local storage, and you can upload to the 365 portal to revert back your all conversation,
No,
the
forget
all
about the
email.
local copy. It's corrupted, nothing to use, or the system got corrupted, leave it.
Mm.
Any option, do it from the cloud side. Whatever that I downloaded previously, say yesterday I downloaded some mails to the local copy and it's got corrupted today. So what is the difference between then we backup and deleted from the cloud?
No, I'm unable to understand what you want to say.
Okay, if I delete the email, I
Okay.
delete the email. So still be able to recover, right?
Mm.
If I download from the mailbox, if I download the email, move it to the local PST,
Okay.
so it will be considered as the deleted one or it will be considered as the backup one.
No. Firstly, you need to take the backup, then you can delete it, right?
So if I create one PST folder, then I moved all the emails from cloud to the PST folder
On premises, right?
on premises.
Okay.
Then the mailbox will be empty, correct?
Fine.
Okay. The next day, the PST copy got corrupted, unable to use, or the system got crashed. So
No,
within 30 days, we can recover all the emails from the email, right?
correct.
Okay.
We need to archive the old emails only. We need to archive
Mm,
only the old email
mm,
to save some space in our inbox, because we have a total 100 gig of space in inbox. If you consume the entire space, if you consumed the entire space, then definitely we are unable to get any. We are unable to get any emails. We are unable to receive any email. Even we are unable to send any email. To make some space in our drive, we need to archive it, or
mm.
you can take the backup of your email manually.
But still, this point is confusing.
No,
Maybe
why
we need to do
confusing?
the
No, no, why confusing? Can
okay.
please explain it again what exactly you are looking from backup
Okay, in my
or archive?
organization, there are some users. They
Mm.
have the archive, the online email archive. They're supposed to reach around 100 gig. Okay, the archive mailbox. So in that
Archive
case,
mailbox.
yeah,
Okay.
what I supposed to do?
No, you can take the backup of your email, archive email, and put on premises or put on OneDrive. Backup need to put on premises. Or you can store on our OneDrive.
Sorry, I just muted and talking to you. Okay, so in that case, my backup, I took backup from the archive and
Mm-hmm.
just store it somewhere that somehow the backup is corrupted.
Okay.
So what is the next step I need to do?
No, we don't have any option. We don't
No
have any
option.
step,
So once
right?
I downloaded from the archive, still I'm not able to recover in the archive folder. Can I say like that?
No.
Hmm.
Archive and backup both are totally different to each other.
Totally different. Yes, totally different. I agree. So once I moved everything to the local backup, the archive mailbox will be zero, right? They don't have any items.
Mm-hmm. No, it's not matter that to take the backup to blank the space of archive. For
Hmm.
the safety purpose, you can put your data in multiple location.
Multiple location.
You can store on archive or you can
Mhm.
store on premises as well.
Okay. But we can extend the archive storage, right? More than 100 gig.
We can do that. We have to pay the additional amount and we can add the space.
Hmm. But the retention of all the emails will be 7 years, correct?
Right.
That is default.
By default, yes.
So if I want to extend to 10 years, so do we need to pay any additional charges?
Yes, definitely. If you want to enhance the retention time, then you need to proceed and pay means more than the current cost.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, yeah. Anyway, we are going to see those, right? Because since here the mailbox storage is there, so I just want to shoot those questions.
Sure, we'll discuss it. So
Hmm.
the remaining options which are available in the user's property, we'll talk tomorrow and discuss about the another features like template at multiple users and MFA. These part we'll discuss tomorrow.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll send you the recording and you just need to create free trial account and you start your practical as well.
Free
Fine,
account. Yeah, I will do that. Anyway, I have the account already, so I need to explore the other product now to get it trial.
fine. Thank
Hmm.
you. We'll connect tomorrow.
Okay, Anjit. Yeah, we'll connect tomorrow. Thanks.
Yep.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.